Yo, what's up guys? You know what it is, Super Motor aka the Zulu Machine guys, and today guys we are unboxing the famous, the one, the only air fryer. I was waiting for a drum roll there. Alright guys, if you like what we do guys here in this channel, please do subscribe to our channel, leave a like, and also leave those comments below if you have one of these guys, you know. Other than that, let's get this video started. Kaboom!
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Oh, what's up guys? You know what it is guys, it's me, Super Motor, the Zulu Machine guys, and today guys in our home we finally have bought one of these special things guys called Silver Crest air fryer guys, and this one is kind of a bit different. I remember when we used to stay in Johannesburg, we bought one of these which people liked and comment about it. I thought that maybe we should unbox this one and discover what it has and what it offers guys, and also what's the actual name of it. It has a lot of things here, and let me read the specs for you guys. This is the Silver Crest 8-liter digital air fryer with a nesting tongs, and this is how it looks like, you know. Anyway, tongs. Anyway, that's what I was ringing in my head. Okay, what are the specs? What are the descriptions of this lovely tool? I cannot read all of this, but it says it's an extra large capacity, ideally for 3 to 6 people or person in a family, enabling you to prepare generous portions of food, you know, if you eat, nom, and I can't read it. And it is equipped with 4 preset functions: easy fry, bake, grill, or roast, offering a range of culinary possibilities. You know, you have to be sophisticated to use this. I don't know. I will test it with you today. And also it tells you about the efficiencies and the powers and the temperatures between 80 degrees to 210 degrees Celsius, and all of that. It's a silver one, Silver Crest. That's a brand, model D689B. Functions, 4 functions it comes with. Persons that it can make 3 to 6 people. That's the amount of food it can support, you know. Unless you like me, you eat double for people, so it means that it supports 3 of me's, you know. Anyway, other than that guys, clean and bake, take away. Okay, you can clean it with water and everything, you know, all of those things. But anyway, without wasting any time guys, you know what we're here for. We're here for to look what is inside. So let's unbox this box, because it's a box, you know. Let's unbox it. Anyway, let's look at it guys. Firstly, today I have scissors guys, you know. I'm not using knives, I have scissors to cut the box guys. So let's get right into it. And also first thing, we have a warranty card, which you guys don't need to see. Warranty card, and someone has to put their names and stuff and purchase date and all of that on it. I don't know what it does, but anyway, warranty card for it. And also I forgot to tell you, this product itself, the warranty of it. Basically, let's start with that because it's the most important thing, one of those important things guys. It's a 6-month warranty, and it also capacity is set 8-liter on the title, but I think it's 6-liter on the specs. I don't know why it says 6-liter, but when you read the label the label of it says Silver Crest 8-liter digital air fryer. It's a bit weird. I don't know. Anyway, I don't control those things. And also the cost of it, when I bought it at Takealot, but I did buy it at Takealot, and also Takealot, sponsor us please sponsor us. The amount is 847. That's the amount we bought it in, and basically you got it in like 2 days or something. So 800 rand, 847 rand. The currency thing is here somewhere, you know. Convert it guys, you know. Anyway, other than that, let's look what's in the box. I'm done with the paper things. It's a manual. You get the tray guys, you know, the tray that you know you put your meat on. So let's put the tray on the side, and now I have to use my 2 hands guys. So let's use our 2 hands. I have to lift stuff up now. Woo! Okay, everything is out of the box. I'm just checking. Okay, guys, we said we have tongs. Tongs. So these are the tongs we sort of get. And did they say 3 tongs or 2 tongs? I'm just verifying here. There's not 3 tongs, so I got 2 tongs here. I got tongue theft here. I don't know what's going on here. My tongue theft, or did they steal my tongue? I don't know. But this is 2 tongs I got. The thing says 3 tongs. This one has 2 tongs. Anyway, it's tongued. I'm a bit sad that I don't have my 3 tongs, but anyway, it's fine, you know. You've got another manual here, with a lot of links and URLs and stuff. And also, why do you have a WhatsApp on? I don't know, guys, it's weird. There's links on YouTube and stuff on it. So I guess it just shows you if you want to get recipes, I think, on them. I don't know. Anyway, besides that, I need to make this stand on its own. Maybe a tongue is inside somewhere there. Okay, I did not break anything, guys. I did not break anything. It wasn't me. I did not break anything. Don't look at me like that. Camera woman is looking at me like, did you break it? Did you break it? No, I did not break it yet. Guys, my third tongue still missing. I'm looking for my third tongue. I'm stuck on the tongue level, you know. Anyway, we got the Silver Crest, guys. There it is. This is how it looks like. And also, let's unwrap this. I don't know, it doesn't make a lot of noise. Oh gosh, what the heck is going on here? This plastic is getting cut in a very weird way, which I don't want to. Okay, we got the plastic, and yeah, this is the thing, guys, the bowl inside, as you can see here, with the golden handle, and boom. And we're gonna connect it for you. And right now at the top here it has the dials, and also here it has the presets of it to help you understand how it looks like. But I'm gonna take it and get it close to you guys and show you how it looks like and how you're gonna be looking at it for the first time, guys. And also, let's smell it together. It smells good. I'm just checking if there's no other plastics here, because plastics and fire, they don't mix, guys, you know. Guys, I hope you can see it. This is it, guys. This is it. This is how it looks like, guys. It's beautiful, very beautiful. And also, let me show you the top. Let's not drop it. Okay, guys, right now I'm gonna get this guy basically connected to an outlet. Then you all gonna go and look at it and see how it looks like when it's connected to the outlet. So let me do that right now, and our camera woman is gonna stop the video right now. Yo guys, right now we got the thing turning on now. As you can see, things are looking good right now, guys. And also look at the top here. This is where you turn it on. See, when you click here, it gives you options here, like it gets chips, meat, cakes, nuts, and the digitals here. And also it has warm, other thing with the digits, I don't know what it says, and there's timing. I think this is another something like a timer. And also it has the power button, guys. And yeah, and when you pull it out, the thing at the top here, it turns off. That means that it goes to a pause mode when it's either cooking. But I'm just checking here if there's no other additional plastics, because we are about to start the testing process for you guys and cook some stuff for you. So yeah, and wow, it is a bit hard to close. But yeah, there it is, guys. Look how cool it looks like, guys. Especially at the top there. It looks way nicer, guys. Yeah. And also the flashy lights, you know. Flashy lights. And also you press here to turn it off. Does the turn off not work? I don't know, guys. Yay, okay, I finally could turn it off. Yeah, anyway, let's get right to it. Let me prepare some food for you so that you can see what it is, guys, you know. Yo guys, you are here in the studio, the cooking studio. Yeah, this is where I produce the magic. Anyway guys, I'm gonna preheat our thing here, so let's turn it on. So right now we're turning it on, and also I'm gonna put this inside so that we can make sure that it doesn't stick to the bottom, you know. The oil must drip down, drippy. And also yeah, so let's do that. Let's put this thing down, and also can I turn it on? Do I know how to turn it on? Oh wait, we have to stick it in or put it in first. Okay, it's in. Then now we're gonna be preheating it. I do not know how to preheat, guys. I am not okay. The buttons don't work, or is it me? Okay, warm. I just pressed warm, guys, which I don't understand what it is. Okay, 5 minutes. I've set 5 minutes, and also, how do I set the button here? I'm just pre-warming it, guys. I don't know how to set the temperature, guys, which is weird. So if there's any plastic in this thing right now, it's warming up, guys, right now. As you can see, it's doing the bling bling. So if there's anything here that's messed up, I will see it now with flames, or we will smell it, guys. But anyway, we are pre-warming it just so that we got mutton here that want to cook, so we're preheating it. It doesn't matter how high you're gonna preheat it, guys. This is our first time doing it. And after that, we're just gonna put it and just slap meat, because we want meat, you know. But I'm preheating it now so that by the time we start it, it's gonna be a bit warm inside. That's what you do, guys, when you bake stuff. So yeah, that's it, guys. I'll get you back when I got my mutton done and stuff. And also, I think it's done. Is it done? I think it's done, but it's just warming up, I think. Was it warm up? Yeah, anyway, it's quiet. Anyway, I'll pick it up later, guys. Let's pick up later when you got the meat. We're gonna put the meat inside there. Yeah. Yo, guys, so right now, guys, we have very much generously salted and seasoned our mutton, which, you know, it's gonna be tasty. And I didn't even check, guys. I didn't check a recipe. Forgot to check a recipe. But I'm gonna wing it, guys. You know, just wing it. We're gonna select a pre-selection that says meat here. I don't know what options it's gonna give us, but we're gonna follow it. So we preheated this. Okay, gosh, it just turned off now. Preheated the air fryer. I got scared there. It's sort of, there was a bit of a plasticky smell because it was the first time we were warming it up, or we were heating it up, but it wasn't like leftover plastic anywhere, so there was no burn. It just smelled like there's a bit of plasticky getting warm, but it's still fine. Everything is working. So expect that, because it's not the first time I have an air fryer. The first one I also did the same thing. So it's I think it's a thing where you warming up something with plasticky in it. It's gonna smell plasticky the first time, then after that it becomes good. Yeah. Anyway, let's put our meat in, and that means that we're gonna have to use our tongs, guys. Tong tong, da tong tong tong. And also, they tongue theft me, but I'm gonna use one of these tongs, guys, and also it makes a weird. Makes a bit of noise. Anyway, let's get to it, guys. I'm gonna put this stuff, I'm gonna put the mic down and just put this stuff in, and let's start it. And I'll show you afterwards how it looks like, and was it good, was it not good? Yeah, but this is what you're gonna see, and it's gonna make you judge this air fryer. And if I did say it wrong, guys, I will tell you, but I'll tell you what settings I put in right now. And let's go. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Okay. Tongs are not tonguing. They're not tongue enough. They're not strong enough. But anyway, it's working. Okay, there it is, guys. I don't know if you can see, but there it is. We got it in. Let's put it in, guys. Don't. Okay, minutes. 35 minutes. Lord. Okay. And what's the temperature? 20 degrees. Okay, so I might have to play around with the time, but the minute says 35 minutes, 200 degrees. That's a default mid thing, that's what I said. I'm gonna leave it there, but I will open it up and check it, you know, and at like maybe, let's just say, since it's 35 minutes, let's check it around 15 minutes, give or take. Yeah, 15 minutes. We're gonna check it at 15 minutes and see how it is. Then after that, I'll change it. But anyway, this is what the part. You're gonna come back at the end. Me, I'm gonna be busy sorting it out, our test, guys, you know. After it's finished, I'll tell you all the results and show you what it looks like. And let's get our test going. Yeah.
20 minutes later.
Yo guys, we're back and it's about time we take out the meat right now, and let me take it out and show you. It's gonna be live from the stove. I'm gonna turn it off now and take it out and show you how it is. I think it's done enough, guys. I think it's done enough. So let me show you. And stop. Oh, okay, I'm just gonna put it out there. Wow. Yo guys, this is lamb, but it got a bit spinning, but anyway, it got a bit of char in it, which I do like. It's a matter of, I think I did too much, but I think it's okay. I guess it's okay. It's just like 18 minutes, but that's how it is. And I'm gonna put it on the plate and show you clearly and show you how it looks like. Do 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 do. And also add some more pieces. Okay, guys, this is the meat from the air fryer, guys. 200 degrees. This was done in 200 degrees for 18 minutes. I had to change it in between, so in 9 minutes, change it at 9 minutes. You get your good lamb, guys. It looks really good and it smells really tasty, guys. That's how it is, guys. And that comes to our testing, guys. Tell us what you think, guys. I think it works, it's magic, it's good. We just have to get used to the recipes of air frying, but it's not like a normal. If you added a bit of more oil onto it, I was gonna get that more charness and brownness onto it, which, you know, adds more flavor and stuff when you eat it. But it already has char on it, which I didn't add oil or anything, so it's actually good. And also the fat is a bit rendered here, as you can see. But you know, lamb is lamb. It does like that. It's not like lamb chops. Other than that, guys, I think we did a very good job today of actually cooking. I have my meal right now. I'm ready to eat. You know, I'm gonna eat well. Yeah. And also, hope you guys enjoyed our video. Please tell us what you think about this. And also, we did buy this air fryer. It took a lot, so I'll put the link in the description with all the sophisticated details, I guess, if you wanna call it like that. Yeah, other than that, guys, I'll see you guys next time when you're traveling, vlogging, unboxing, and do other stuff. Otherwise, Zulu Machine's out of here. Goodbye. Ka-cha.